Inside class, we have a method. Inside method, we have business logics, business logics, or variables. We can create variables, functions, etc. It's just in a Java class, we have a main method. We can run our program. Main method is mandatory. Okay, so this is a standalone application. This standalone application we convert our standalone application into a web application using web framework. Okay, so simply we convert our standalone application into web application using web framework. So Spring Boot is framework we can use this. This this framework will give us lots of ready-made codes. This framework give lot of ready-made codes. Ready-made code. This code converts your Java application into a web application. This code converts our Java application. Okay, and yeah, these ready-made code would be available in jar files. These ready-made code would be available in jar files file. Okay, so problem is how we can create our first web application. It's simple that we don't know So we can go internet or chat GPT. We can ask this question: how to create a first web application, and find you all these type of answers. So we can create our first web application using Spring Boot. Okay, Spring Boot. Okay, so how we can create our first web application? We can go simply a browser. First, open your browser and so guys, please see carefully how we can create our Java Spring Boot application. So we can choose a language in Java. Is there multiple languages? Kotlin, Groovy. So we can choose Java. In their project, we choose a tool Maven to Maven project. It's a Maven project. Spring Boot framework. Latest version is 3.3.3 available. So we can create in this metadata. Now we can in metadata we have using it's a group company name like my spring. Okay, its project name like first demo. Then it's important choosing a jar file because in jar file we have lots of ready-made code. We can convert our simple standalone application in into a Spring Boot web application. Java version 17 JDK version, and we can add dependencies. First, we can Spring Web. There is a default embedded servers is Apache Tomcat APIs, RESTful APIs using MVC. So we can generate is there. Click on this generating file. We can generate our first demo file. Glue. We can go on folder. Our first file. This is our first. It's a zip file. We can extract this file. We extracting this file in our workspace. This is our application, web application. We creating our application. We can use this for using generate a web application. Zip file, unzip x, extract. Zip file. Then building our first Spring Boot application. Then building your first Spring Boot application. Mm, Second is use ID Spring Boot tool. Third, import your first demo castle in IDE. So let's see. We can importing our this file in Spring STS. This is Eclipse ID. Importing our existing Maven project. There is a where is our file in local project browser. This is our Maven project. First demo. Select this and finish it. We can importing successfully, and then there is our web application, and we can run our these application or clean our all Maven configurations. Maven configurations are available in pom.xml. Okay, we see that. So fifth is, and then run our this how to run web application. For run web application, we required a server. So server, there is a embedded server, default embedded, there is a pom.xml file. This is a XML file. There is just using dependencies and or ready-made codes, and this is a we are cleaning this Maven project. First, start our application build successfully. For run application, we need a server, required server. Tomcat Apache is default and default embedded server. Maven command to run this application. We can use Maven command simply. First, we have clean command. Clean up our project. You see that. Second is install. Install. We can download our dependent jar files. All these have jar files. Then create a packages. Then spring hyphen boot colon run. These four commands we can run our project using these all four. So let's see that we can clean this command. Run as Maven build install. We can install all our JAWS files